So, you're looking for a story, eh? I've got a few of those under my belt. And you can't be a captain without having a good story to tell. So, I used to fly a transport ship for Horizon Corporate. You know Horizon Corporate, right? Small mining company that had a license to mine in the Serra system. I worked with their security team, shuttling them around from planet to planet. We went where the trouble was, except there was never much trouble. That was until one day, when a new pilot joined the mining crew on Topaz.
Logical human engine. I am a trial AI, buddy that Horizon Corporate is testing on randomly selected employees. My purpose is to ensure that you meet your daily production quota by any means necessary. Once you arrive on the surface of planet Topaz, further instructions will be given. Corporate has requested that you demolish an unstable rock formation for training purposes. This is an important task to master in order to have as few catastrophic accidents as possible. Do you wish to proceed with basic training to learn how to operate your grinder? Training bypass is confirmed. Please stand by for further orders. Head to the mine to begin your 16-hour shift. Your partner Donnie is already contributing to his daily quota.
This is Frank, Horizon Security Commander. I see you're back from getting your AI buddy fitted. Hopefully the post-installation brain fog hasn't hit you too hard, because I need you to check on our delivery driver, Joe. He hasn't arrived with his shipment yet, and he might have gotten stuck somewhere. It's on the way to your mining station.
A missing shipment could mean a loss in company profit, which makes this a priority. The location of Joe is on your radar. Head there immediately and locate the missing shipment. You can make up your quota later with mandatory overtime. Your radar is located in the bottom left-hand corner of your cockpit. The large white circle indicates Joe's location. Head to the large white circle on your radar.
It looks like Joe is sleeping on the job again. Give him a honk to wake him up. Keep honking, pilot.
What? Oh, hello, pilot. I was just making sure that this shipment was stable before transporting it. You know, safety first, as I always say.
Incoming call from base.
Hey, pilot. This is Frank again. Listen, I have reports your partner Donnie has been causing some trouble. Would you mind checking on him?
Donnie is located at our designated mining location. We should not have to make a detour. Settle the problem with Donnie and resume your goal to meet the production quota. location has been placed on your radar. Head there now.
Who finally decided to show up? My tardy mining partner. I've been working my fingers to the bone thanks to you.
Donnie, please be more careful with your laser. You almost killed me.
Whoops. It was an accident. But he totally deserved it. You saw how annoying that driver was? He was telling me how to do my job. You would have done the same thing. Why do I have to work with all these people who disrespect me? I have a right to blow up things that annoy me. I'll show them who is boss.
The security commander has been informed of this incident.
What in the blazes is Donnie doing? Is he attacking the refining station? Okay, I'm not really supposed to do this, but I've given you authorization to operate a laser for combat purposes. Use it to destroy one of Donnie's arms. Well done, pilot. Donnie is now slightly hindered. I've disabled your weapon, so just keep following him while I think of something.
I never wanted this stupid job to begin with. I'm only here because I have to do mandatory community service since, apparently, ejecting someone out of an airlock is considered murder!
Well, he's completely correct. Pilot, keep an eye on him. Make sure he doesn't cause any more property damage. Don't worry, we'll have corporate sort him out when he's done his rampage.
And you, Frank! You're next. After I'm done turning everything to dust out here, I'm coming for you. I'm gonna make you watch as I drink all of your precious imported tea.
Okay, I think it's fair to classify this as an emergency. Follow him, pilot. Keep close to him. We'll use your location as a beacon for the security team. I've sent in trucks to back you up, pilot. They'll make Donnie think twice about running. For the love of the minimum wage workers, Donnie.
Did you see that explosion? Who needs workplace conflict resolution when you have lasers? Blowing up coworkers rocks. Take that, HR mediation!
Great. Now he's figured out how to jump.
Has granted you permission to use the jump jets to pursue Donnie. If you are still struggling with post-installation brain fog, I will instruct you on how to use the jump jets. Would you like to have a detailed explanation on using the jump jets? Bypass confirmed. Jets are now enabled.
Hey, man. Not like I meant to kill those people. It was an accident. All the trucks were an accident as well. And the refining station, too. Besides, you were late to your shift, and I had to do your work. So that means it's your fault that I blew everything up.
Look, Donnie, it's all right. Everyone makes mistakes. Just power down, okay? We'll launch an investigation into how your partner's tardiness caused such a terrible accident. You can completely trust us.
Seriously? That's so... Wait. You're trying to trick me. You're just gonna throw me right back in jail!
Donnie, wait.
I'm never going back!
Well, it was worth a shot. Don't worry, we have backup on the way. Reggie, our top pilot from the security team, is coming in to stop Donnie.
Hey there, Miner. Thanks for the help, but I'll take it from here. All right, Donnie, it's over. You're going to come with me, okay?
You know something, Reggie? I never liked you. Eat plasma, you corporate minion!
Well, there goes our most seasoned security officer. Pilot, I've activated your full range of weaponry. Blast Donnie into orbit.
Don't listen to anything Frank says! He's a corporate shill! Hey, I told you not to listen to him! I warned you! It's just a flesh wound.
Be critical. Be critical.
Are you supposed to be a threat?
The primary has been shut down. Left arm critical. You can manage your weapon speed by clicking on my arm engage.
Damn you!
You did it, pilot. You stopped Donnie's rampage. That was very impressive. Barely scratched your armor. Unfortunately, Union regulations require you to get debriefed after fighting your co-workers. Make your way to Cassiar base. Horizon's security team has docked their dropship there, and someone on board will be able to debrief you. I know, it's a drag, but regulations are regulations.
I am preparing means for the Lord Child Corporate. This distraction has cost Horizon Corporate time and resources. It is my responsibility to make sure you meet your mining production quota. Mining is the only thing that matters. Meeting the production quota is the only thing that matters. This is my only purpose. This is your only purpose.
Is your AI buddy okay? You should probably see someone about getting it looked at.
A word, pilot?
Press left trackpad button to engage in conversation.